Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix Steam error code 50. So first of all, what you can try is go to your launch Steam and then go to this Steam button here at the top left corner, press on that, go to settings. From here you can go to downloads and then you'll have to scroll down a bit and you have to clear download cache. So simply press this clear cache button and your cache will be cleared and Steam might resolve the issue. So after that, what you can do is you can try another method. For that you'll have to close Steam. Simply press here and press exit. Also, if you are running Steam, check in the task manager, go to details, find Steam here if it is running in the process. So after that, what you'll have to do is you'll have to run the run command, and then here you'll have to type in this percentage local app data percentage, press OK, and then from here you'll have to find Steam and simply delete this file. So right click and then delete, and you can restart Steam and see if the issue is there or not, and hopefully it will be solved by this. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.